In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check whether Smartsheet offers a free version or free trial and decide if it's worth upgrading. The first thing you want to do is open the Smartsheet pricing page. This is the best place to start because it gives you the most current information directly from the source. Pricing pages usually show the available plans, any free trial options, and the main differences between each tier. Take a moment to look over the page carefully instead of rushing, because small details can make a big difference later. Next, check whether a free version or a free trial is currently available. Some platforms offer a permanent free plan with limited features, while others only provide temporary access through a trial period. It's important to understand which one Smartsheet is offering because that affects how long you can use it without paying. If the page highlights a trial, also pay attention to how long it lasts and whether any sign-up conditions are mentioned. After that, review what features are included during the trial. This part matters a lot because not every trial includes full access. Sometimes a trial lets you use premium tools, advanced collaboration options, automation features, or integrations, while other times it only unlocks part of the product. Read the plan details closely so you know exactly what you'll be able to test. This helps you avoid assuming a feature will still be available later if it was only included temporarily. Then, check what happens after the trial ends. Look for details about whether your account automatically moves to a limited version, whether your access is paused until you upgrade, or whether you need to choose a paid plan to keep using your work without interruption. This is especially important if you plan to use Smartsheet for active projects because you'll want to know in advance how your data and access will be handled. Once you understand that, compare the trial with the paid plans. Look at what the trial gives you, then compare it with the features, limits, and benefits listed under the paid options. This will help you see whether the trial is just enough to explore the platform or whether the paid plans offer something you'll truly need for long-term use. From there, decide whether the trial is enough for your needs. If you only want to test the platform, learn the interface, or try basic workflows, the trial may be all you need. But if you need ongoing access, more users, advanced features, or long-term project management, a paid plan may make more sense. Finally, upgrade only if you need continued access or specific paid features. That way, you're making a practical decision based on how you actually plan to use Smartsheet rather than upgrading too early.